Let's do this thing. Hey, everybody. Get ready for an amazing day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. It's your girl, Margaret, here to guide you through every step of this incredible journey. Giddy, excited, practically bursting with happiness, maybe even a little bridezilla, just a tiny bit, we all understand. Because today, the day you've been dreaming of is finally here. It's your wedding day, the culmination of months of planning and anticipation. First things first, take a deep breath. Inhale the excitement, exhale any lingering stress. Today is all about celebrating your love with your favorite person, the one you've chosen to spend forever with. Surrounded by your favorite people, your closest friends and family, all here to witness your special day. So grab your coffee, that liquid gold that fuels all great mornings, tea, if that's more your style, a calming and soothing start to the day, or even a mimosa, because why not celebrate with a little bubbly? And let's get this wedding show on the road. It's time to make some memories that will last a lifetime. All right, let's kick off this incredible day. The culmination of months of planning, dreaming, and anticipation is finally here. It's time to embrace the joy, soak in every moment, and prepare to walk down that aisle. And what better way to start than with some serious self-care? This is your day, and you deserve to feel absolutely radiant, inside and out. Hydrate, fuel up with a good breakfast. You'll need the energy for all the excitement ahead, so make sure to nourish your body with something delicious and wholesome. And get your body moving with a little stretching or yoga. Even just a few gentle poses can help release tension and get your blood flowing to calm those pre-wedding jitters. It's perfectly normal to feel a little nervous, but remember to breathe deeply and focus on the present moment. Treat yourself to a quick pampering session, maybe a face mask or a few minutes of meditation. To center yourself before the festivities begin, find your inner peace and prepare to shine. Your wedding day is a whirlwind of emotions, a tapestry woven with joy, excitement, and maybe even a touch of nervousness. Let's talk about staying present amidst all the beautiful chaos. It's about grounding yourself and truly experiencing every single second. It's easy to get swept up in the chaos of the morning preparations, the flurry of activity, and the well wishes from loved ones. You might find yourself pulled in a million different directions. But being mindful, taking a step back and focusing on the present moment is the key to truly enjoying your wedding day and creating lasting memories. It's about savoring the experience, not just rushing through it. Throughout the day, pause, breathe deeply, and take it all in. The sights, the sounds, the emotions swirling around you. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience. Notice the intricate details of the decorations, the smiling faces of your cherished guests, the heartfelt emotions radiating from your family members, and most importantly, your partner, standing right by your side, ready to embark on this incredible journey with you. If nerves hit, and they likely will at some point, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with calming air, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or anxiety. Repeat as needed until you feel grounded and centered. Let go of worries about things you can't control and allow yourself to be fully present in every single moment, embracing the joy and celebrating the love that surrounds you. This is your day, soak it all in. Let's talk about the unexpected, because something always goes off script. If the cake's lopsided or the DJ plays the wrong song, laugh it off. Focus on the love and joy, not the hiccups. Sometimes those surprises make the best memories. Embrace them, and remember, you're marrying your soulmate, and that's what matters. Let's talk about the moments you'll never forget. The first look, the vows, and your first dance. Pause, make eye contact, and let the emotions sink in. Speak from the heart, listen to your partner, and get lost in the music together. These are the memories you'll cherish for a lifetime. Before the day flies by, take time to thank everyone who made your wedding special. Hug your parents, thank your friends, and show love to your vendors. Most importantly, thank each other for the love and partnership you share. Gratitude makes your celebration even more meaningful. The music fades, the last dance is done, and you're officially married, but your journey is just beginning. Tackle those post-wedding tasks, reminisce over your favorite moments, and maybe jot down your thoughts. Now embrace the adventure of marriage, support each other, communicate, and keep the romance alive. This is the start of your greatest chapter yet. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to a stress-free wedding morning and beyond. Share your stories and tips in the comments, and don't forget to tag me so I can celebrate with you. Wishing you a lifetime of love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Go make them happen.